What's up, y'all? This your favorite girl, Nikki, with Nikki Smacks, and today I got me some Mexican food. My favorite. Yes, it is. You know, I went back to that Mexican place that I was at the first time, you know, and I had switched up because last time I had a El Pastor taco and a corn asada burrito, so I switched it up. Now I got a corn asada taco and an El Pasto burrito. Yep, I do. And I got a Sprite to go with it, y'all. I got the Sprite to go with it. Got my little hot stuff. Even though I don't, hot stuff don't agree with me, that is so good. It's so good. It is so freaking good. Yeah, nose itching. They say when your nose, my mama tell me all the time, when your nose itching, somebody coming to see you. Last time my nose was itching, somebody called me. Hey now. Y'all, let me stop. Dito, you took all my green sauce. Why did you take it out the bag, bro? Why did you take it out and you didn't want none? So you could have put it back, weirdo. Now I gotta stop my video because you took my stuff out. Yeah, my son is crazy. My child is crazy. I guess no green sauce for me, because my son took it out of my bag. Yeah, look, I put some cheese on it because it don't come with cheese. It don't come with cheese. And I got my sour cream. Got some sour cream. I can't believe they put an empty ass sour cream back in the refrigerator. I know who did this. My sister did this shit. Empty ass thing. Look. You might as well ate the rest of this. My sister did this. My sister put it back. Okay, y'all. I'm good. It's so good. Okay. Yeah, it's Tuesday. I think it's Tuesday. It's Tuesday, I think. It's Tuesday. Taco Tuesday. All I need is a margarita. A margarita. Motherfuckerita. Then I'm going to put these on it because these are bomb. Yeah, I'm happy. I'm in a good mood. You know, I try to stay in a good mood. Y'all. I don't let nobody break me. Okay. I put some of them little carrots on it. Then I'm gonna put this on it. Let me see how it tastes. Oh. I'm gonna doctor it up. I'll just break a little piece off of it. Just break a little piece, y'all. Just a little piece. And then, since my son want to take out my green sauce, I gotta get this one. Y'all look at that. Look at that. And them people did not give me no freaking napkins. So, and I ran out of napkins. Cool. I gotta go to Walmart and grab some. So, and I got a Sprite. So I give y'all a nice big old burp. I got issues. I know I do. I got issues, y'all. Lord, thank you for this food I'm about to eat. Thank you for the plastic gloves, blessed everything, you know. Make sure they clean. Y'all. I ain't ate nothing today. I'm so hungry, y'all. So hungry. Mm, mm, mm. Mm. Yeah, that's so good. I don't know why I love Mexican food. I wonder did my mama eat Mexican food while she was pregnant with me. Or hot dogs, because that's my favorite. Them my two favorite meals, hot dogs and Mexican food. Mm-hmm. Yep. Whew. Excuse me. Mm, mm. Excuse me. Yeah, I gotta take my son. He wanna go trick or treating, so I gotta hurry up and do the mukbang so he can get dropped off with his friends. Hmm. Mm. Mm. It's so good. Mm. This is bomb. I should have had some guacamole. Mm-hmm. Mm. Damn, food be getting stuck in my teeth. Mm-hmm. Yep. Mm. I got to do it too. This place is so good. Hot. It's spicy. Damn. It's super spicy. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. Yeah. I could have just got me like 3 tacos and that was that. But that taco bomb. That taco was fire. Uh-huh. It's hot too. Oh, that Sprite just making more hot. Mm. Excuse me. Now it's time for the burrito. The burrito. Okay, y'all. I'm stuck a little bit. I'm a little stuck. Stuck. Okay. Oh shit. Damn, I forgot the little lines. I forgot to put. Oh, he left me one in the bag. It was under. Y'all look at this. And this time I told them light freaking cheese. Cause me and cheese, any type of dairy, don't get along, don't get along, don't get along. Yeah. Y'all just don't know. Y'all just don't know. I be stuck. Now, I'm about to eat my El Pastor burrito. So I got my El Pastor Burrito. Burrito. I'm gonna be mad if they didn't put my sour cream in here like they did last time. I didn't have no freaking sour cream. And the damn man once thought I was gonna pay extra. Why is my nose itching? Sorry, y'all. I'm not digging in my nose. It's just my nose itching. Somebody trying to see me. Somebody trying to see me. Because every time my nose start itching, you know, it's an old folks tale. Somebody trying to see you. Who trying to come see me? Who trying to have me come see them? Okay, look, y'all. My burrito. My burrito. Let me squeeze some lime on it. Okay, look now. You know I don't like to be squirted in the face. Y'all, let me stop. At least not by surprise. Yeah, I got issues. Y'all know that. I got issues. I got issues. I'm trying to get help for it. Y'all know that. Oh, what is going on with my nose? It's itching. Which one of my sponsors trying to come see me? Let me stop. Let me stop telling on myself. Anyway. It's spicy. And this bastard do not. Okay, do they mix the sour cream in it? I don't know. Okay. I'll put some onions on it. I ain't fit be kissing nobody tonight, so I'll put some onions on it. Nah, bro. I don't like kissing. Because some dudes can't kiss. So, I just eliminate that shit. Turn my head. No, don't kiss me. Anyway. TMI. TM motherfucking mind. Okay, y'all. Look. So. Yeah, these races. God damn. Be getting stuck. Okay. Damn it. Oh, hold on. Okay. They must only put a little sour cream on here. My eyes couldn't taste nothing. Look at that. See, I like mine to eat. Y'all, these damn braces. That's the worst thing that can get in your eye with some lemon. No, I take that back. My ex-boyfriend threw some Remy in my face one day. At a club, y'all, this motherfucker threw some Remy in my face, and that shit burnt like a motherfucker. But I still tried to stay cool after he did it. That was back in the days, though. Man, that shit burned. Hell yeah. That was some crazy shit. That tastes good. With the sour cream and all that. Yep. You know, Sprite and hotness don't go together. Because it just make it more hot. Make it super hot. Yeah. It's Halloween. Happy Halloween. Happy Halloween, y'all. It's Halloween. Yep. Okay. Yeah. So I guess I just used the rest of this little ass shit my sister left. You know? Eat me some onions. I don't plan on kissing nobody tonight. Yeah. Okay, let me stop playing. Oh, look at that. That look good. It's so bomb. So y'all going trick or treating this year? Y'all having Halloween's party? Halloween's party. Okay. Bam. Bam. Oh, this is hot. It's so hot, y'all. I'm definitely not going nowhere tonight. Cause heartburn kick in. Whew. Okay, this shit hot, but I'm trying to hang in there. Trying to hang up in there. I think my eyes is bigger than my stomach. I know they're bigger than my stomach. Oh! Whew! Oh, excuse me. Yeah, this is good. But I think I like the El Pastor burrito better. Yeah, so hot. Super hot. Okay. It's gonna be my last little bite. Cause I gotta drop my baby off somewhere. I gotta drop my baby off. He wanna hang out with his friends. He's gonna be a pimp named Slickback today. Spoiled ass. He's so damn spoiled. Yeah, he is. I be spoiling my kids. I be spoiling my kids. They rotten. They not rotten. They some good kids though. I love my babies. I love my babies. Okay, y'all. Let me squirt it. For real, this stuff getting your eye, that shit burn. That shit burn for real. It burns. Okay. I'm gonna take one more bite. Cause I'm full. And full, y'all. Yeah, I can't eat a lot. Cause if I try to stuff myself, I'll be sick. I will be sick. Y'all know I lost 100 pounds. No, I did not have a weight loss surgery either. Not at all. One last bite. One last one. Cause my phone about to die anyway. Whew. Okay, y'all. I need no more of that. I'm full. Whew. I am full. Okay. This soda done got flat quick. Yeah, it did. Flat real quick. Whew. Okay, y'all. I am done. I am full. And I hope y'all enjoy this mukbang. Y'all, my nose is itching for real. Last time my nose was itching, somebody called me and was like, come over. I'm trying to see who's gonna call me today. Yeah, I'm a hot mess. For real. Low-key savage. Nah, I'm a good girl. Anywho. Alright, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed. I hope y'all enjoyed this mukbang. And if you like this, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, you can give me a thumbs down. But guess what? I know you watched it. But anywho, I will see you guys on the next go around, go around, go around, go around. Anywho, happy Halloween, and you guys be safe out there. See y'all next time. Bye.